Hi, this is Bradley Set. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking to you about how I lightened my hair with hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. It's so easy and it's very convenient. So I will first tell you about the pros, cons, and how many shades it's lighter. So it's about like maybe 2 shades lighter, and the pros are that it actually works, as you can see, and it is very easy, cheap, convenient, and it's nice, and it doesn't take that long, which I like. So the cons, I would say it's a little bit drying, and it is a little bit messy, and it dries your hands too a little bit. And so, yeah, make sure to wear gloves. And yes, so basically, the steps are to what I personally did. It might be different for somebody else, but what I personally did was I washed my hair, and then I let it kind of dry a little bit, like so it wouldn't be so wet, like 30 minutes after a shower. And then I mixed 1 cup of baking soda and 5.5 tablespoons, about 5.5 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. And basically, you just want to get the baking soda at a smooth consistency mixed in with the hydrogen peroxide. The thicker it is, the better. I just basically used towels around. I put a sweater on, and then I put a towel around me, and so it could catch product, and then a towel on my legs. And I worked somewhere that was hardwood floor, so I could just sweep it up afterwards, what fell out, like the product, if it did fall out, because it does. For me, it did. So basically, I just grabbed some of the product and I just kind of put it all over my hair, just like kind of like that, all over, and made it even and everywhere and underneath and everything. And so basically, I waited for about 50 minutes, about an hour the first time. And then I went and washed my hair. And if I knew that it would be so drying, I would have conditioned it a lot longer. And then I dried it, I blow dried it, and I just felt like it might have helped the process. And then the second time I used the product all over my hair again, same thing, towel and everything to make it a clean, easy process. And then after about maybe 20-30 minutes of having it in my hair, I washed it out, and I used a lot more conditioner this time. And I think it helped, and then I blow dried it again, and we are now at this product, and I am very happy with it. And yes, I make sure to use a lot of hair oil. That's what I've been doing, and a lot of leave-in conditioner also helps in conditioning it a lot in the shower also. I use a little bit of Vaseline too, just in case if I feel like it's too dry one day. That helps also repair it. And yes, I hope that maybe this video helps somebody else out that's on a budget, or like wants something convenient. That's what I was wanting. And yeah, I hope the best for you. Good luck. And yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this video, and that you comment on it, and give me a follow. Thank you. Bye.